Imagine you just made a purchase on Vivid and then realized you bought the wrong thing or maybe you overspent. What do you do? Today, we're going to dive into how to cancel a transaction on Vivid. It's a simple process, but knowing the steps can save you a lot of hassle. Understanding Vivid transactions. Before we get into the cancellation process, let's quickly understand how Vivid transactions work. When you make a purchase on Vivid, your funds are typically held for a brief period. This is to ensure that the seller receives the payment and that there are no issues with the transaction. Cancellation methods. There are a few ways to cancel a transaction on Vivid. Let's explore them one by one. Method 1. Contacting Vivid support. The most straightforward method is to reach out to Vivid's customer support. They can assist you in canceling the transaction, especially if there's a problem with the seller or the product. Here's what you need to do. Find Vivid's contact information. This can usually be found on their website or in their app. Explain the situation. Clearly state that you want to cancel a transaction and provide the necessary details like the transaction ID and date. Follow their instructions. The support team will guide you through the cancellation process. Method 2. Using Vivid's app. In some cases, you might be able to cancel a transaction directly through the Vivid app. Look for a cancel transaction option or something similar. If you can't find this option, try contacting Vivid support to see if they can assist you through the app. Method 3. Disputing the transaction. If the seller doesn't respond or if you're facing a dispute, you might need to file a dispute with Vivid. This is usually a last resort, but it's a valuable option to have. Here's how to file a dispute. Open the Vivid app. Go to your transaction history. Find the transaction you want to dispute. Select the dispute option. Follow the on-screen instructions. Important considerations. Keep in mind that there are certain time limits for canceling transactions and filing disputes. Make sure to act promptly to increase your chances of success. Additionally, the cancellation process might vary slightly depending on the type of transaction and the seller's policies. Canceling a transaction on Vivid is generally a straightforward process. By understanding the different methods and acting promptly, you can resolve any issues and protect your funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.